Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on the Public app. Okay, so this is Public Investing app. It's actually a really cool app that kind of turns stock investing into more like a social experience. So when you invest in something, you can write a little bit about it. People can see that post, they can like it, and there's lots of interactive things on the app to get people involved in stock investing. So I'm really liking this app. If you guys want to sign up for this app, definitely use the link in the description and you can get a free stock. So today I'm just going to show you how to buy a stock. First, you'll want to come to your account in the tab bar in the bottom right corner. So I have $126 invested in stocks and I have $8 cash balance and $8 buying power. So basically I have $8 to spend on stocks. You can buy as little as $1, so that's nice too if you just want to come in here and play around a little bit. So the first thing, obviously, sign up for the app, have a valid ID, go through the process. Everything should be very simple. It's just the typical onboarding process that a lot of these apps use. Then you'll want to tap deposit if you don't have any money yet, and deposit money from your bank. But I have $8, so we're good to go. So then I have my portfolio right here, which is Tesla, Crocs, and Square, and some stocks on my watch list. If I want to add another stock to my watch list, I can just go to the search button in the tab bar, browse through and find something, or I could search for something. Let's just tap on Apple, and then you want to tap the star in the top right corner. So now if we go back, we'll see Apple there on our watch list as well. So that's kind of how you fill out your portfolio. Today I want to buy $1 of Square. So let's go ahead, tap on Square. It's going to give us all of this information here, and then we can see activity of other people buying and selling Square as well. But all we want to do is tap on the big blue button in the bottom right corner. From here we can tap invest or sell. So we want to tap invest. You can type in whatever amount you want. I'm just going to do $1 and then tap invest. It's going to give us our order details there. Tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased $1 of Square. I'm not going to give a tip. I'm not really sure how that works. But then we can also do like a social post about this as well. So I'm just going to type, let's go SQ. So there we go, tap done. Trade has been completed. You can see I now have $2.11 of Square. If I tap on my profile icon in the top left corner, we can get more information about my profile. You guys can also follow me here at TapLab, and all of my social posts are down here as well. So yeah, there you have it. There's how to buy stocks on the Public Investing app and a little overview. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.